Hello everyone, welcome to Tesla Vibes. Today we'll be talking about what Tesla may have in store for 2022. First and foremost, we'll be discussing the major plans for the Tesla Model Y. We are also going to discuss other major updates, such as the Cybertruck volume deliveries, the big European push, China being a big Tesla strategy, the Tesla Semi seeing the light of day, the long-awaited one, ambitious sales target, and finally, the in-house battery production. Please watch the whole video to find out all of the details. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and sharing our informative video. When Tesla announces the release of a new vehicle, car enthusiasts all over the world wait in anticipation to see what the new vehicle has to offer. We believe that the 2022 Tesla Model Y will continue Tesla's trend-setting path that it has blazed for so many years. The ride will feature Level 5 autonomous driving, and we anticipate that the Model Y's price will be raised as well. The 2022 Tesla Model Y, like all previous Teslas, will be available in two trim levels. You will be able to select between long range and performance. The long range trim costs around $51,000 and serves as the entry point into the lineup, with the majority of the options as standard. The performance is intended for those who want a streak of electrics to outperform their engine. The performance is expected to be around $61,000. That is a significant price difference between the two trim levels that will be available. Both trims include a touchscreen infotainment system with OTA updates, a front and rear-facing camera, 12 ultrasonic sensors to keep a safe distance from other vehicles, and the iconic full-glass roof with a panoramic view. The difference between the two trims is the amount of power they can provide. The Tesla Performance includes a power upgrade, which is convenient. The Tesla Model Y 2022 is propelled by two electric motors. Each motor drives one set of wheels. Because the 2022 model is only a second year in the car's life cycle, there will be few changes to the power of the motors. It has an all-wheel drive system and a permanent magnet AC motor engine. The total power output of the motors is 346 horsepower and 389 pounds of foot torque. This power has been tamed by a single-speed direct drive transmission, and we don't expect to see much of a difference here either. The nice thing about an electric car is that you don't have to wait until you reach the sweet spot to unlock the full potential of the motors. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds. That means a quarter-mile drive will only take you 12.7 seconds. This electric car has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The Tesla Model Y 2022 is 0.2 seconds faster per quarter mile than the Jaguar I-Pace 2021. Because the Tesla Model Y is such a new car on the market, we don't expect many changes with the 2022 model. You get a full glass roof over your head to give you that panoramic feeling, as well as a leather upholstery to justify its luxury outlook at a low price. The Tesla Model Y is appealing because it is a reasonably priced electric vehicle that gives the impression of driving in luxury and style. Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck in November 2019, eliciting collective gasps from the automotive community. The futuristic truck was unlike anything else seen before, and it also promised some mind-blowing performances. Tesla claimed that the truck would be able to tow up to 14,000 pounds, among other things. This towing capacity, however, is reserved for the high-end tri-motor version, which is expected to go into production in late 2021. Volume production of this tri-motor model, as well as two other less expensive variants, single and dual motor options, will begin in 2022, most likely at Tesla's new plant in Austin, Texas. Stay tuned as we continue talking about this captivating topic. With the construction of a new gigafactory, Elon Musk hopes to expand Tesla's presence in Europe. The plant is located in Brandenburg, Germany, and construction appears to be underway, despite reports that the project has yet to receive final approval from authorities. The plan was to start producing Tesla vehicles, starting with the Model Y, as early as June 2021. That date has now been pushed back to 2022 as Tesla navigates strict German environmental regulations and other bureaucratic bottlenecks. The Chinese EV market is massive, and Tesla is taking that fact very seriously. It already has the Tesla Gigafactory in Shanghai, and it will deliver its first Chinese-made Model Y vehicles to the market in January 2021. However, the company is not done yet. According to reports, Tesla may be planning to build a new entry-level Tesla model at its Shanghai factory as early as 2022. The compact model will be based on the Model 3 and will cost between 150,000 and 200,000 yuan. That's $23,300 to $31,000 US. We all know the Tesla Semi is coming. Elon Musk has repeatedly reaffirmed the company's commitment to the project. However, a few cogs in the wheel have caused production to be delayed until 2022. The main challenge has been determining how to best handle the all-electric heavy hauler's high energy requirements. In September 2020, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced a plan to use lower energy density cells for lower energy demand vehicles, freeing up high-density variants for higher energy products such as the Cybertruck and Semi. If everything goes as planned and Tesla can ramp up its in-house battery production, a 2022 production timeline for the Semi could become very feasible. The Tesla Roadster was first unveiled in 2017, with Elon Musk declaring that it would be the fastest production car ever built, capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Deposits of $50,000 were taken from prospective customers, and it appears for a time that Tesla Techno King had overpromised on the project, especially since production was supposed to begin in 2020. The car's tri-motor system and advanced battery setup have been blamed for the delays. However, those issues may have been resolved by now. In January 2021, Elon Musk issued a statement confirming that production of the Tesla Road Rocket will begin in 2022. Tesla has laid the groundwork for what could be its most ambitious goal to date, exceeding 1 million vehicle sales in 2022, representing a 50% annual growth rate. Tesla delivered 137,000 vehicles in China alone in 2020, and that number is expected to rise as Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory ramps up capacity. Then there's a Gigafactory in Germany, and the new one in Austin, Texas. In terms of production capacity, everything is looking up for the EV company. Cutting production costs at Tesla would be critical to meeting the sales target. One method Tesla intends to use is to manufacture its batteries in-house. Tesla was named among the car makers that will receive a total of 1 billion euros in yearly subsidies for battery factories in Europe, and reports claim that the company has already applied for a permit to build its own batteries in Europe. Furthermore, Tesla's cost per kilowatt, which is currently estimated at $115, could fall to as low as $50 if the company begins producing its batteries in-house. This could result in an annual production capacity of 100 gigawatts by 2022, which would be enough to power 1.4 million vehicles. Let us know what you think of Tesla's plans in the comments below, because we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Tesla-related content like this, and turn on post notifications so you never miss any of our future uploads. That's about it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button, and we'll meet again in the next one. So stay tuned, take care,